pound for pound, biggest around. When he speaks, the trumpet sound. Gave me the ground I stand on now. Once was lost and now I'm found.
Hi.
Oh no.
What kind of cats are those?
These aren't cats. They're Matagot, but they won't hurt you unless you...
Supervise! Oops.
Hey, cat!
Reverte!
Shamose! Hey everyone, this is Joseph. Welcome to the channel. I saw this on Marfugal News about this simulation for response and preparedness. This time, the origin of the fictitious thing is from the bite of a leopard, intended to spread around the world. In the scenario, young people in particular are affected. Apparently in ancient times, the leopard was thought to be a hybrid, with reference to Jeremiah 13. I'm not sure that is an accurate reference, but what do you think? Will there just be leopards everywhere? Thanks for watching. Arigato. Matane.